So this is a scramble for YiHeng Wang's final solve in his world record average, and of course, when has he ever not got worst possible average? I think the excitement of knowing he was going to break the world record and the sub 4 second barrier meant that he just couldn't concentrate on this, and it wasn't a very impressive solve at all. But let's go over it anyway. So he does Z2Y, which puts these two white pieces at the bottom, but of course any good cuber will know these are paired up wrong, and he's going to have to do an F move to put that in the right place. So he does F, U, R2, B prime, and in doing that he's got this piece here, this green-red edge, and then he does R, and then he's inserting this corner to make an X cross with L prime U, U prime L, D. Now here he does something I think is pretty stupid, and he's going to I mean, I don't know if I would be able to look this far into the solve and see how bad the outcome is going to be, but surely he could. So he does U2 R prime U prime R, and then inserts this pair, and at this point, like, you've got a bit of trouble, because a lot of the ways you can insert this F2L pair are going to give you the triple sexy case, which is obviously not especially fast, even if you're YiHeng Wang, because it's 12 moves. Like, even if you do it really fast, it's still 12 moves. So he rotates, does L prime U L U R U R. And of course, you've got this case here, which is like literally the worst F2L case if you're good at F2L. So he does, and then he does double sexy, and then he sledges it in. Which is fair enough, but a bit unfortunate, and that probably slowed him down quite a lot. Then he does a pretty standard OLL. It's not quite what I'd do. I would do U prime first, and then do a slightly different alg, but he does R prime U2, almost double sexy, not quite, and then he does the standard R perm at the end, and it's a 4.93, but I don't think he cared really about how slow that was, because it's a 3.91 second average. It's a world record, and as I said, when has he not got the worst possible average in a world record?